As important as your head and face shape is when it comes to figuring out what type of hairstyle and haircut you want to give yourself, it's not as important as you think, and you shouldn't dwell on it as much, right? Don't give yourself so much time and thought like, okay, I'm on Google, I've got an oval face shape or a rectangular or a heart shape or a triangular face shape. What haircuts look the best for that head and face shape? For the most part, this is what I've noticed. For most people, oval, rectangle, triangle, heart, whatever, most face shapes look good with short on the sides and either short or somewhat long on top. And it's blended, right? Like it's a transition from short to slightly longer on top. That's it. For most of the time, most people, head shape, face shape, who cares? It doesn't matter as much as you think, right? It does make a difference. I will say, I'm not against the head shape and face shape whole thing, right? That all, it makes sense. I get it. But for the most part, this is what I'm saying. Don't dwell on it, right? Don't hype yourself up and really like start researching like, what head shape do I have and what haircut fits me best, right? That's great. I understand you really want to figure out what's best for you. But what I'm saying is don't pay too much attention to it, because more likely than not, any type of haircut that's shorter on the sides and either short on top or longer on top is going to look good on you, because it looks good on everybody. And typically, when you look at the charts on Google that have the different face and head shapes, they all have roughly the same haircuts anyway. Short on the sides, some length on top, right? For a spiked in the front, a pompadour, a comb over. All of these haircuts look good on practically everybody, right? So recognize, if you're balding, let's say, for example, recognize then you might need to figure out, okay, my hairline might be a little bit higher than most people. What type of haircut should I give myself? That's when it would make a little bit more sense. But for the most part, don't dwell so much on the head and face shape. Short on the sides and back, either short on top or some length on top, right? Whatever style you want to do, as long as it's tidy, it's tight on the sides, and you can do whatever you want to the top. It should look fine, but don't dwell on the whole head and face shape thing that's going around, because it's not as important as you think, and you'll probably look good with many different haircuts that you'll see in the infographics and the charts on Google that show all these photos of the head shape. So don't dwell on it too much. Don't worry about it. Short on the sides and back, leave a little bit on the top, and you'll be good to go.